Hey, this is HansPerm once again. Okay, welcome to my channel. And today we're going to solve a relay for 5 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So I have here uh, 5 sets of Rubik's Cube. And if you don't mind, if you want to know the brand, this is uh, this is coming from GAN GSC version with the Rubik's version that comes with the logo. This one is a RS3M 2020, right? This one is again 356M. Okay, the logo has been removed already. And this one is a TMS magnetized. Of course, actually, one only is not magnetized. This one, this gun Rubik's, and the last is this is my bulk tree. Actually, it's a non-magnetized. I just magnetized it. All right. So this time, let's shuffle first our 5 cubes, and let's see that how much time I could complete this solving of five a relay of 3x3 Rubik's cube. Okay. So this would be the first shuffle, and of course we have to click next for the next scramble for this. Okay, this one is okay. EL L prime E2 P2 L prime B2 L B2 R prime and F2. Okay, let's move to the third scramble. Okay. Okay, fourth scramble. You can feel the difference of each cube. So they have different texture and of course different feeling how smooth or battery the turning was, but some of which are it's like kind of a sandy feeling, right? And it's been a while I'm not gluing my cube, right? But only some cleaning maintenance what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm run out of lube. Hopefully I will purchase and have a lube once again. Alright, so this time our 5 cubes are all shuffled, and of course we will going to time our solve, and of course that normally I'm averaging about 30 seconds. Sometimes if I'm quite lucky I got a sub 30-second solve, and hopefully I could also perform each one of these should be sub 30, and this is not technically this is already equivalent of AO5, right? Right, so only the shuffle admin takes place already. And of course, let's have a 15 seconds inspection. Hopefully I could inspect until to the last cube. Alright, alright. So let's see, I'll maybe go with yellow here. Probably this one is might go with white. Oh, I don't have time. So maybe this is white. Oh, right. So let's start now. Right. Right. Okay, next cube. I remember this is white. I can feel the different turnings of my cube. Right. third cube. I don't know, I did not make an inspection over here. We'll see. Okay. Right. Oh, did a mistake there. Okay, there. Right, oops, almost slipped my hand. Alright, fourth cube. Okay, I'm going with majority now white cross. The moment, oops. Right. Oops. On to the last pair, F2L. Okay, it's an all forward shape. OLL, and right, this is for a G. Right. I think I made the mistake. Wow. Right. I overshoot that one though. Back to OLL once again, and oh. Alright. Fourth, fifth, last cube though. Like maybe I'll go with yellow over here. Okay, one there is not in place. Okay. Alright. Oh gosh. Did a mistake on that OLL. Okay. Oh. Did the third OLL. CLL for white round. And there we go. Okay, now it's 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Okay. I don't know how much average I'm getting. Might be I'm just review the video afterwards. And let's try once again. Okay, so this is almost nearly 4 minutes. So most likely I'm not be getting an average of 30 sold per each one of the cube. Okay, we'll do it once again. And okay, let's have this shuffle. Okay. Okay, next shuffle, scramble. Probably I might rearrange my cube. Right. Maybe I'll put my gun 356N on the last. Right. And this non-magnetized would be still on the first one. Okay, later we'll arrange it. Okay, third scramble. Okay, the fourth scramble. And last scramble. Alright, so probably I'm not be doing an inspection anyhow. It's no use. Hardly I could inspect 15 seconds the whole 5 cubes. So only what I will do is might arrange the most difficult and non-battery feeling, though this gun is battery feeling but it's non-magnetized, but it's color scheme is quite difficult for my eye. Maybe I'll start with this one. Next is the key. Where's that key? Yeah, this one. I feel it's a bit sandy. Yeah, it's key. Let's just put it on the second cube. Maybe the least one was probably this one, which is my bulk 3M now because there's a magnet. Right. And next would be, depends now between this RS3M. Okay, I'll just hold on to RS3M 2020 and this one for GAN 356M. Okay, so once again, let's try to solve a relay of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, now let's have a 15. Okay, no inspection. Okay, so let me just press it and go. Go with white cross. Okay, now in my, oops, oh well, I was wrong. And this is F1. Right, I go with white again. Oops, what is this? Right. Now, well, okay, whoa. Okay, and the shape is right. This one is, okay, I'll go with all whites then. There's no inspection. Now voila, and be done. Oh, yeah. I'll go with the white again. Sometimes hard for if you don't have inspection. Really, what the first pair you will see is this is what you're going to move. Right, last pair. Right, all right, all right. Okay, and I think for right, HansPerm. Right, let's Skewb now. Let's go with the white again. Oops. Okay. Do some sexy move. Last pair. Okay. Well, and of course for the G-Perm, particularly on GT. Alright, done. Oh gosh, nice. I got a sub 3 minutes this time, exactly on 2 minutes and 55 seconds solve. Alright, so at least this is quite a little better compared to our first relay solve that was nearly 3 minutes, I think. So I think that would be it. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we'll see you once again to my live stream solve for Rubik's cubes. Ciao, bye bye.